Hello everybody to Aira's channel now, and today we're gonna learn how to burp a baby. First do like this. Her head should be on your shoulder, and then you have to do like this. Like pat her back, but you have to hit her back. So just slightly pat, like a pat. How you pat the cat or dog? Pat like that. And then when the baby burps, you'll be set to go. And make sure to share this channel and subscribe this channel. Make sure to share this channel with all your friends. And goodbye.